lunatic, eh? Me not look no gift, no man. And that me I tell him. You see people one damn junk,
Oh, man.
One look rat. He feel like 17.
Oi, man.
Eh?
Don't be nice, man. You make master beat with, man.
Make him beat with. Me no business make him beat right now. Me, when I take a busted, that make no man make me look no gift for them. And that me I tell him. And that what I do?
What you mean what me I do? You just say we take a busted.
That is a joke. Eh? That is a joke. You think it's funny?
Yes, it's funny.
Oh, it's funny. You know what funny? That damn stinking breath. And that me I tell you. Oh, and you, no matter talk, you know, cause fear month alone, we kill a village. Oh, I want to stink.
What I pay him no mind, man. That's why him go on, man. What I pay him no mind.
I saw him turn, man. He no like do no work. He lazy. Tell master, man.
Wonderful, just wonderful. I see that you guys have brought my gifts.
Yes, boss.
Yeah, boss.
Nice. Now today, you all are going to be free slaves. Free, yes. No more hard labor. No more slavery. Free to do whatever you wish to do. But, in order to get your freedom, you have to do one simple task. See that gift that you have brought for me? I want you to swallow them. Whola. No chawing, no chopping, no biting. Swallow them. Easy task. So Mr. Squeakers, what do you have?
A grape, boss. Grape night, boss.
You have grapes. Man, what do you have?
Me have pepper, boss.
I need you to bite them before you swallow them.
What?
No, Irish, what do you have? Speak up, sir! Master, take man to media. Take man to clappy. But you want gift or what? I go and mash him up. What me say? I go and mash him up. Gift you want, gift you shall get. You want gift. Thanks for watching. Remember to like or leave a comment if you enjoyed this video. And if you're new to my channel or you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe today.